welcome to another class with Miss Menezes. How are you today? Huh? Are you happy? Are you sad? Are you sleepy? Yeah. How are you today? I am happy. Yay! I'm very happy. Guys, today we're going to learn some animals names, okay? Animals. Good. Look, guys, it's a turtle. Repeat. Turtle. Turtle. Very good. Look, it's a duck. Duck. Very good. Look, it's a frog. Frog. Very good. Look, it's a hen. Hen. Very good. Look, it's a cow. Cow. Very good. Look, now it's a sheep. Sheep. Very good. Oh, now it's a cat. Cat. Very good. Now we have a horse. Horse. Very good. Now it's a dog. Dog. Very good. Now it's a goat. Goat. Very good, guys. Beautiful. Guys, this is my dog, Charlie. Charlie. This is my dog, Charlie. She is black and white. She's a girl. She's a girl. She's beautiful. Okay, my favorite animal is dog. What is your favorite animal? My favorite animal, the animal I love, my favorite animal is dog. What is your favorite animal? Okay, guys, now we're going to watch an animation with the names of the animals, okay? Pay attention and have fun. Animals. Turtle. Hen. Cow. Sheep. Cat. Horse. Frog.
goat.
That's it for today, guys. We've learned the animals' names. Don't forget to watch the link for the song video, okay? I love you guys. See you soon.